connects you and me together.
Do we get close to each other?
Yeah, very close.
But I'm inside.
Yeah, inside of me.
So you put it.
It connected you and me inside each other.
You put Eddie out first, and then you spit out of your mouth, and it goes into my mouth.
Yeah, I eat, and it goes in my belly, and then it goes through the pipe into your belly. Through your belly button. Look at how beautiful. It's the first time we heard you.
Dada. Dada.
That's Daddy, yeah.
Let's remember about Daddy.
Yeah, look.
Dada.
Daddy was so happy to be a daddy.
Dada. Dada. Excuse me?
Yes,
Dada.
Daddy,
My
yes.
Daddy was so happy.
Because Daddy loves you so much, all he wanted to do is be your daddy. And I wanted to be your mommy.
Tears are coming out of me.
That's okay.
But I am alright, 'cause I have you here with me.
It's beautiful. Look at how cute you are.
And
In Mommy's
I
bed.
can almost see in the dark there is
It's
light.
okay. That's because you're sad and happy at
If
the
you
same time.
knew how
I'm so
much this moment means
I'm so happy too.
to me,
And
and how long I've waited for your touch.
Dada. Dada.
that's
Dada.
Daddy, yeah.
Mommy. Dada. So worried that I can marry Daddy.
I never thought that
I'm
I'd
happy you put
love
that in my belly too.
anyone so much.
Papa. Papa.
That's your feet.
Papa. Tristan.
That's Tristan's feet, yeah.
Yeah, his ears a little bigger. Why his feet was a little bigger?
Because he's a big kid. Look at this kid. He's a tank. That kid's big.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama. Dada. Dada.
Yeah.
Dada. Dada.
Dad, can we
That's
share?
the first time that's the first time I changed the steps. That's the first time
How cute. Oh, look, that's you holding Tristan for the first time. And you kissed him and you said, I've got a baby brother. Beautiful.